Hi everyone, my name is Jacques Reymond and today we're going to cook a fantastic dish. You will love it, white farm rabbit with redoc Cabernet Sauvignon. So we have here the white farm rabbit cut into 10 pieces, some tamarind for the sourness, some little herbs, and the most important part is the bush pepper berries. First of all, we're going to add some oil and a touch of butter to seal our rabbit. Okay, so now this rabbit has been sealed very lightly. You see, a little bit golden. We're going to put in the casserole pot. We're going now to seal the aromats to enhance the flavors of these aromats. Add it to our rabbits. So we're going to deglaze lightly. Sherry vinegar is the best for that. Remember, bush pepper berries. Be careful, it is very powerful. Don't overdo it. Some tamarind, some pomegranate molasses, some soy, and now the masterpiece. You know what? For one rabbit, I put one bottle. Bouquet garni is to wrap up wild thyme and the bay leaves so they don't float everywhere in the sauce. And very important, very slow cooking for an hour to an hour, 10 minutes maximum. All right, so this is the final little garnished mushroom, onions, bacon, olive, and a little bit of butter. Wow, you will see the intensity of flavor again. Let's be happy. This is wonderful. Look at these nice pieces of rabbit. Now we're going to have the little garnish. And we just finish with a little bit of parsley. This is my casserole of white rabbit with redoc Cabernet Sauvignon de Pastoraliste. Santé and bon appétit.